Hello guys, good evening. Welcome to my vlog. We are here in Igana eat dinner here for Mother's Day celebration. We're here in Natsda, Camden. Then Almaria there, Almaria Mall. And that's the Le Royal Mary Jane Hotel. My graduation in caregiving and nursing assistant, they held there in that hotel 2024. Anyway guys, like my video, don't forget to click like, heart, leave a comment, suggestion, don't forget to share, subscribe, thank you very much, bye.